Hey guys, so today we are following a hair care routine. It's basically how to get a glass hair care routine. Now this is the hair that we're working with right now. It's absolutely disgusting. This is my second day hair and I didn't brush it. So let's go ahead and fix all this mess. Alright, when it comes to shampoo, smoothing or nourishing shampoo or a clarifying shampoo because you want to get rid of all the dirt and gunk in your hair that is making your hair look dull and lifeless, so that if we would apply our hair mask and other hair care products, it would be more effective on the hair. So pick a shampoo that is going to really clean your hair but at the same time moisturizing as well, just so that it won't dry out your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here, which is the Sakura one, and it smells amazing, so I'm gonna try this out. Oh, it smells so divine. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this on my scalp, most especially. Actually, I don't mind using this all over my hair because it's kind of like one of those fragrance shampoo and I want my hair to smell really good. So I guess I have to put it all over my hair now. Alright, now that's done, I'm gonna wash it off and then let's move on to hair mask and conditioner. Alrighty, so what I did is I actually rinsed off the bottom part of my hair and left the shampoo still on top of my head. And then what I'll do is I'll put on the hair mask all over my hair. And the hair mask that I will be using is this hair mask right here. And this is probably one of my favorite hair masks ever because this detangles my hair single-handedly without even adding in conditioner or whatever. It's one of those like repair hair masks. So, and one thing I do like about this as well is that if you want your hair to look more relaxed and if you have dry hair, this is also great to use. I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for about 3 minutes, and then after, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and layer this with a conditioner. Alright, now lastly for conditioner, I'm almost out, but I'm using Cream Silk Kerotin Serum Conditioner. I'm gonna put this all over my hair. I specifically selected these products because the scent really complement each other. So my hair literally smells like candy right now. Like floral / candy right now. So alright, so after 2 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it off with water. Okay, so it says in the instructions to, in a way, kind of like just towel dry or pat dry the hair. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just squishing out the water and then use a blow dryer. For me, I'm gonna be using the blow dryer, but they said to use it in hot settings. But for me, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use it in the cool setting. And since we're going to flat iron the hair later, I am going to already put a heat protectant serum on my hair. Just going to apply a little. I already put that all over my hair. Since my hair is no longer dripping, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. Actually, they said to also use kind of like those roller brush, but I don't think that that's going to work on my hair length. So I have my detangling comb right here. I'm like loosen up the hair as well, just so that it's gonna be easier to blow dry it basically. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this and change it to this one. It still blows air, by the way, so it's really gonna get through all over my hair so it dries off quickly because it's taking a lot of time. Okay, so my hair is about 95% dry, so I'm gonna wait it off and then I'll show you guys the next step. But to be honest, like at this point, I do kind of like it. I don't think I need to flat iron my hair, but like, you know what? Let's just follow direction, which I don't like sometimes. So the next step is to actually use a flat iron, and I'm gonna set it to 290. Actually, for my hair type, I can handle up to 375. Maybe I'll just iron some parts of my hair and not necessarily everything, because sometimes I do have a little waves on my hair, so probably those are the parts, or those are the only things that I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron, but not entirely my whole hair. I'm gonna add in more heat protectant, especially on my ends, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. Right, so this is it. So the last step, as they recommended, is to actually use a hair shine. I'm not gonna overwhelm my hair with oil, because I know it could also be gonna make your hair oily. It's basically to kind of like add shine to your hair. Whatever's left on my palm, I'm gonna put that onto the top of my hair as well. Yep, that is it right here. I'm not so sure if you guys can see or even tell the difference between this hair keratin and my other hair keratins. Maybe this one, my hair looks more like straight. I guess that's the only difference or anything. But yeah, I think it really does work. But yeah, I think my hair looks extra shiny and glossy with this hair keratin. Actually, I think that my hair looks a lot softer and smoother as well. And it's so light. And I think one thing that I really do like about this hair keratin is that the products that I have been using are for softening and moisturizing the hair and nourishing the hair. So my hair feels extra soft and smooth right now. And also I do like that all of the products that I use are really meant to protect the hair and repair the hair and address the dryness in the hair. So if you all are interested in the products that I've used in this video, I'm just gonna link them down in the description box down below. But I do like its effect on my hair. There is absolutely no frizz, no dryness, even though I use a flat iron on my hair. Alright, so that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you guys are also aiming for glass hair. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!